Hi everyone, Antonette here. Welcome to this month's version of Antonette's Vignettes, which is an open collaboration that is recurring monthly, where I invite all YouTubers to join in and style a vignette in the theme of the month. And for August 2021, the theme is Oh So Shabby Chic. And why is it Oh So Shabby Chic? Because my co-host is the awesome, sweet, funny, amazing Annie of the channel Indie Annie Jones. She has been making a lot of shabby chic inspired DIYs on her channel recently, and that has inspired me to do something in a shabby chic look for you today. So I'm going to be styling my coffee table here in my living room in my take on shabby chic. I'm looking very forward to seeing everyone's creation today. I can't wait to see all the beautiful lace and pearls and roses, and I'm just looking so forward to this. A little something about my co-host Annie. She has very recently suffered a tragic loss. Her mother passed away very recently. My heart goes out to Annie and her family. It was unexpected. She was not sick as far as they knew, and it just happened one day recently. And so my prayers go to Annie, to her family, and to her mom's soul. May she rest in peace and spend her eternity in heaven. I ask you as my viewers, if you are a praying person and you believe in prayer, kindly say a little prayer for Annie and her mom and her family. They need it right now. This is a very difficult time for them. I'm so happy and grateful that Annie has agreed to continue to participate in this Antonette's Vignettes this month. It was very recent that her mom passed, and I wasn't sure that she would be able to participate. And had she not been able to, I totally would have understood. But Annie is just so amazing. She's full of energy and she sticks to her word, and she has agreed to continue to do the Antonette's Vignettes with me this month. So Annie, thank you so, so much. And please, please say a prayer if you're a praying person and you believe in that. And I felt like I got to know her mom the tiniest bit because Annie does a lot of live streams, and there were at least a couple where I remember her mom being in the background of her live streams. So I got to actually see her. And so when you see someone, you just kind of feel like you know them. And so I do feel like I sort of knew her mom the tiniest bit. So Annie, my prayers truly go out to you and your family. I hope you all get through this very difficult time, and hopefully your channel, your DIYs, and your decorating help you a little bit to get through this difficult time. So I am now going to decorate my table. As I mentioned, it will be in my take on what shabby chic is, and this is dedicated to Annie's mama. I'm starting off our vignette by placing down this runner, which is a lace runner with some ruffle around the edges. And I've sort of scrunched it all up so that it's not laying flat, but sort of has a messy look to it. Now we're starting our vignette to the left of the coffee table here, where I've placed this really pretty box. It's a circular box and looks like a hat box, and it's got these beautiful pink roses on the lid, and then these stripes of roses all along the box. So that we don't see the inside of our box, I have placed this white crochet doily inside, and it's just hanging off of the side of the box. Inside the box, I have placed these really pretty roses, one in pink and one, it's really a champagne color, but I think it's coming up as white on film, which is fine. It looks really nice with the white doily that we have here. And I'm using these roses because I think they look quite nice with the roses on our box lid. Now here, to add height to the back of our vignette, I've placed this white large pillar candle holder, and it is not so shabby chic looking, so I have covered it with a beige lace doily, and I have it hanging off more so to one side. And then on top of our candle holder, I've placed this really cute picture, and I got this at Dollarama this summer, and I just loved it. I think it is the perfect colors for our vignette, and it does have quite a shabby chic look to it. Some pretty white flowers to fill our picture. To fill in the space that's between our box and candle holder, I thought it would be pretty to add 2 more roses that match the roses inside our box here. And then I've added this little ginger jar just off to the side of the roses here. And I love the muted colors. I think that goes perfectly with our shabby chic look. And the lid has these pretty flowers, and I'm not sure you're going to be able to tell, but right there in the center, a soft pink pretty rose. Here I have another box. This is the same design as our larger box, but one size smaller. And I'll show you what I put on top of that to add to our vignette. This pretty vintage pink rose patterned teacup. Doesn't that look great with the box that it's on? And then this, which looks like a mini lamp, and it's actually a little votive holder. And it too has these little pink colored roses painted on it on a cream colored background. Okay, another box. It's a little bit smaller than this one over here, which is a little smaller than this large one over here. And these boxes came as a set, and I thought they would be perfect for this vignette, and they seem to be working quite well so far. Here I've placed our last box. I actually have 2 of these beautiful taupe colored boxes with the brocade lid and the bit of lace trim and the really cute tassel. It's a beautiful piece. I have a smaller one as well, but I thought I'd use just this one for this display. And I think the darker color offsets all the light cream color quite nicely. With our final 2 pieces, what I decided to do was take the matching beige little doily there, which goes with this one. It's a bit smaller. I placed it just inside our box, and on top of that, I placed this little velvet pillow with a rose on it. The rose color is perfect with all the other pink roses that we have in our vignette. I almost forgot our pearls. How could I forget our beautiful pearls in our Shabby Chic vignette? Please let me know what you think about my Oh So Shabby Chic vignette. It was quite fun to put together. It was lovely to take out all these pretty feminine pieces and put them together. It all started with these roses. I knew that I would be using these roses for certain in this vignette, and I went around the house and just looked for pieces that I thought would go with these roses and that somewhat resembled a shabby chic look. And I'm quite pleased with the way it turned out. I hope you are too. Please let me know what you think of it. I always enjoy your comments. If you do like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to my channel. A very big thank you to everyone who participated. A very big thank you to everyone watching. And the biggest thank you to Annie for being my co-host. You're so lovely. I know this is such a difficult time for you, and I so appreciate you doing this with me. You're truly one of a kind, Annie. Thank you so, so much.